So when you have minus divided by plus, it's always minus. Plus divided by minus is always minus. Now let's try it. When you have minus 8 divided by plus 16. In this case, from this rule now, you have minus divided by plus is what? Minus. So you put your minus here before you start cutting. 8 here 1, 8 here 2. So what is the answer? 1/2. So when you have plus divided by minus, when you have 10 divided by 20, plus, I may decide to put plus here and I can leave it like this. So 10 divided by minus, you know that the sign, this is plus, but at times they may not even write it. But you're supposed to know that plus divided by minus is always minus. So divide this one by this, what will be the result? 1/2. That's good. We want to move to equation under the algebra. Something is missing and you need to find solution to the missing item. It's called an equation. Let me ask you one question. I am thinking of a number, yes? If 3 is added to the number, the result is 10. What is the answer? Yes, you are correct. The answer is 7. Why is it 7? Something is missing and you need to find solution to the missing item. Now, let's try to interpret it. I am thinking of a number. Let x represent the number. If 3 is added plus 3, the result is 10. So when you take this one to the other side, what will be the answer? You just write x. If you are taking this one to the other side, the plus will change to minus. So you have 10 minus 3. So x is equal to 7. And if you know that you cannot use this method, when you have the equation like this, x plus 3 is equal to 10. What you're supposed to ask yourself is, what am I going to do to get the value for x? Now, you need to get rid of this. And to get rid of this plus 3, you need to remind yourself, you look for the opposite. What is the opposite of plus 3? You know, another name for plus is what? Add. So what is the opposite of add? If it is not plus, it will be what? Minus. So if I don't want to say minus, I can say subtract. So definitely you need to look for the opposite of this. And to solve it, I will just say subtract 3 from both sides. Because if anything I introduce to the left-hand side, I must definitely introduce it to the right-hand side. The opposite of plus 3 is minus 3. And I don't want to say minus 3, I mean subtract 3. Now let me interpret it now. Subtract 3 means, write this one first, s plus 3. The opposite of this plus 3 is subtract 3, which is minus 3 is equal to 10. What I introduce here, I will definitely introduce it here. So when you have 3 minus 3, it will cancel now 0. So you have s is equal to 7. And from here now, you can easily check if what you are solving is correct. So how are you going to check? Whenever you see 7, whenever you see x, you replace it with 7. So from the question, where you have x plus 3 is equal to 10, what is my x here? 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. So, is it correct? Yes, it's correct. Now, can we move a little bit higher? Yes, we can do. Now, the time is not in our own side. So let me just give you a little work to solve, to test your ability on what we've done so far. That's take home. So from this junction, I would like to call it a day. But before I call it a day, I don't know if you have any question to ask me. So if you know that you cannot supply me the question, you can send it to my email or send it to me through WhatsApp. May Almighty God bless you. Bye.